In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image on Wix. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access the section you want to update. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to locate the part of the page that currently has the background image you want to remove. This is important because in Wix background settings are usually applied to an entire section rather than to individual elements sitting on top of it. Next, click on an empty area inside that section. Make sure you're not clicking on text, buttons, images, or any other content placed in the section. The goal here is to select the full section itself. When the section is selected properly, you'll see the section controls appear, which confirms that you're editing the background for that entire area of the page. After the section is selected, look for the option that says Change Background or Change Section Background in the pop-up menu. Click that option to open the background settings. This is where Wix gives you control over how that section looks, including images, colors, and other background styles. Once the background settings are open, choose the option labeled None if it's available. In some cases, you may instead see a trash icon or delete icon. Clicking that will completely remove the existing background image from the section. This is the key step if you want to clear the image entirely, instead of simply replacing it temporarily. After removing the image, the section will no longer display that background. At this point, if you'd like, you can leave it plain or choose a new look for the section. Wix allows you to select a solid color or apply a different background instead. This can be helpful if you want a cleaner design, better text visibility, or a more consistent style across your site. As a quick tip, after making the change, preview your page to see how the section looks compared to the rest of your design. Removing a background image can make a big visual difference, so it's worth checking that the new style fits well with your branding and layout. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.